As robots come off production lines made in Chengdu, a hardcore global expansion story is unfolding. CRP Robot is a high-tech company born and grown in Chengdu. It has developed and manufactured more than 70 models of intelligent robots. Based on its 2024 revenue, it is China's largest exporter of welding robots. Its products are now shipped to around 40 countries and regions across Europe, Southeast Asia, Latin America, South Asia, and North America. On the production floor, workers are carrying out final joint calibrations on a row of blue robotic arms. In just a few hours, they will be packed into wooden crates and sent to markets around the world.
等一下哈，我这儿查一下订单哈都。往右边点儿，这儿楼上还有4台货，我马上发出来。
哦，这样子。
注意到安全哈。
是不是？好。现在这一车是13台我们的这个工业机器人，是准备通过海运发到我们泰国最大的合作伙伴。这13台货呢，主要是为后续的一些可能的项目做一些提前的备货。
好，走嘛，直接拉上车就行了。
从开始做海外到现在，我们基本上是已经完成了全球化的布局。像我们现在在全球比较关键的国家，都是已经有合作伙伴。
His name is Deng Shihai, one of the co-founders of CRP Robot. 13 years ago, after graduating from a university in Chengdu, Deng chose to stay in the city and, together with his entrepreneurial partners, embarked on a journey into robot research and development.
我们当时5个人的话，也是在工作里面认识，然后大家呢，其实对于整个这个机器人行业看法是非常的一致。中国的这个机器人未来一定也有自己的一个非常大的一个空间。现在看来，中国工业机器人已经可以占到全球市场的50%以上的一个订单，所以海外的市场还是非常的大的。我们就开始在谋划这个出口的业务，第一站业务其实就在东南亚。
Starting in 2019, Deng Shihai led his team to expand into overseas markets. Seizing a critical window when China's robotics industry was backed by supportive policies, the company rode this momentum to achieve breakthroughs on the world stage. Today, the Chenghua Economic Development Zone in Chengdu, where CRP Robot is based, is working at full speed to build a new robotics industry hub in Western China. As robots made in Chengdu go global, their international circle of partners continues to grow.
We are going to start our weekly meeting. Hopefully we have a good week. Okay, so let's start.
Now we are preparing for a exhibition. Bangalore exhibition is coming, so we are trying to make it.
客户在使用的过程中会遇到各种各样的问题。为了解决这个问题呢，我们是在每个关键的区域都设置了自己的这个本地化的团队，像在欧洲有欧洲的同事，美洲有美洲的同事，包括在东南亚都是有相应的本地化的团队的，去解决这个服务的时效性的问题。Yes, India team and our Malaysia partner.
Yeah, previously we got a few issues regarding the welding feeder issue.
There's 4 very potential customers that are going to see this demo, and then in the upcoming month they need this unit to be sent in from Chengdu, China. So hopefully this will also get support from you guys.
Okay, so in the future you can just continue to contact with Andrea and also with Steven about all the support you need, and they will support.
Okay, so thanks this update from Malaysia. Right, we'll see you again. Thanks.
Malaysia was among the earliest countries to actively embrace and deeply participate in the Belt and Road Initiative, serving as a model of regional cooperation between China and ASEAN. In 2024, CRP Robot established its Southeast Asia subsidiary there. A local Malaysian, Jason, joined the overseas projects as a technical engineer, providing on-the-ground training and after-sales support.
Hey, Nathan, at the moment, one of our CRP Robot welding machine, the control screen is not working. Is it not possible you can come over at the moment?
Yeah, I know. Give me some moment. I'm checking those spare parts in my stock now that we have in our stock. Once I am everything ready, alright. I'm Jason. I'm in the industry for about 14 years. I went to China multiple times since 2011. I can see China transit very fast. Almost every year they got a very big change in either it's automation or in robotics. We already bring one of the spare part to customer side. Then we're going to replace the spare part. For customer, it's very urgent. We need to quickly arrive at customer site before evening. Speed is winner. So who got the speed, then they are winner. China product bring us much more faster to growth as well in this industry.
Hey, Jason. So fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come. Where's the robot?
It's all the way at the back. I'll show the issue now.
One of a very strong reason why I consider purchasing China product, because I know that if anything were to happen, Jason will be here to support. I didn't have any worry.
So this one, right?
Yeah.
You're able to see the screen.
Yeah. So if you switch on the key, it's not being able to turn on at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
We realized that all the pilot light was on, but then for some reason the control screen itself is not on.
You guys are supposed to be installed on here as well.
No, this one actually is just a set spool to hold it for your guide.
Right.
We found that there's not really an issue with the screen, just most likely at the connector area, where it got loosened up a bit. Smart automation is something very far-fetched. It's something that is only achievable for Malaysian manufacturers maybe in 10 or 15 years, due to the cost, due to the implementation, and due to the limitation with other companies. I think with the entry of a lot of China products coming into Malaysia, it has been helping us to bring the cost down. As you can see at the moment, more and more China companies are helping Malaysian manufacturers to achieve this dream.
In upcoming future, I believe China product will become as number one. It still needs some time, but I believe this speed will be very fast. We can have more exchange technology between both countries.
China have shown the people here what are the potential in terms of the workload and the work capacity. I think that really sharpens my vision for the future.